In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change folder color in ClickUp 4.0 2026 guide. Welcome to the tutorial. We're focusing on a simple but powerful tweak, changing folder colors in the latest ClickUp. The process is very similar to previous versions, so if you've used this before, you'll feel right at home. Start by heading to your spaces in the left sidebar. Find the folder you want to update, then hover over it and click the three dots to the right of its name. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Folder Colors. This opens the color panel where you can manage colors for both the folder and any lists inside it, keeping your workspace consistent and easy to scan. Inside this panel, you'll see preset options and tools to fine-tune your choices. You can change the color of the folder directly by selecting Change Color, or create a custom shade using the color picker or eyedropper. If you prefer to build a palette, add another color and experiment until it fits your team's style. When you want a color to stand out in views, use Highlight, then customize that highlight shade and click Save to confirm. You can also rename your list color labels here, which is handy for clarity. For example, instead of a generic label, rename it to something meaningful like High Priority or Ready for Review. This naming carries through your views and helps teammates understand the status at a glance. If a choice doesn't look right after you save, no problem. Come back to Edit Folder Colors, adjust the shade or label, and save again. The workflow stays the same. Pick a color, customize if needed, and confirm with Save. A quick tip on color strategy. Assign meanings so your workspace communicates without extra clicks. Red can signal urgency or blockers. Green often works well for complete or on-track items. Purple is great for in-progress creative work or planning. And if you need a strong visual for risk or caution, a very dark tone can do the job. Just make sure text remains readable against it. Once you've saved your choices, you'll see the updated colors applied to the folder and, if configured, its lists. That's all there is to it. Open the menu, edit folder colors, customize, and save. If you found this helpful and want more quick, clear ClickUp walkthroughs, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss upcoming tips. Thanks for watching, and cheers.